Good morning to all our beautiful subscribers all over the globe. This is Amazing Channel, remember the first greatest, and I'm your host, Omar Mende. We told you in our previous video that we'll be giving you updates on the construction of the feeder roads. Today, here we are at LATRIKUNDA, so we'll give you the full coverage from LATRIKUNDA to SERREKUNDA as to how robust, as to ongoing. We'll give you the level as to which works are ongoing. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to click the subscription button and click the notification bell so as to get all the subsequent content we'll be posting on this channel. Okay, this is LATRIKUNDA, just after the petrol station, Castle petrol station. Now we are going towards Bundum police station. Works are ongoing. This is the tunnel. The space of the road seems to be slightly expanded, as some minor demolitions were also carried out here prior to the construction commencing. Yeah, so this is LATRIKUNDA going to Bundum. Let's have another view into the tunnels and see all the drainage systems. Assalamu alaikum. This is the official customer care. The sports shop is on my right. Gambians are awake and going about their daily routines. Okay, this is the spot where the concrete is being put so as to cover the drainage systems. Okay, this is almost courthouse. The construction is progressing, it's really progressing. However, it's slow to some extent. Anyway, away from all that, in our previous updates, we asked some fundamental questions, and I only hope that we'll be given the feedback we need as a people, as a country. And one of the questions was, how sustainable is this? How sustainable is this? This is the Gambia National Petroleum Company on my right, and the Bundum police station is on my left. It's after 7 in the Gambia, so many people are not yet awake, and work is on hold. Perhaps they will start after 8. So this is the latest update on Saturday, 23rd of March 2024. Let's look at the drainage system again. Okay, getting back to the discussion I started earlier is how sustainable are these roads? Basically, we know that it is a trend in our country that projects always come, feed the roads, all these things, but in less than 5 years after the construction of these roads, or even less than that, we begin to realize that these roads begin to dilapidate. Their conditions get from bad to worst, and eventually they are basically unusable after spending millions. And the saddest thing is people are not held accountable, neither the contractor nor the supervisor, and even those who awarded the contracts. So this is a question that has not been answered over decades, because that has been the trend in this country. Projects come, do this, do that, and before the project starts, there are lots of kickbacks that the contractor has to give in some cases, or should I say in most cases, and that really affects the quality of the job. The standard that is required is not given, and at the end of the day, the masses will have to pay for that. So it is sad. It is sad. I hope someday we will have people who would answer these questions and then change the trend. Okay, this is Steve Bundum, not far from Nusrat Johnson. That's Amira's Fitness. If you want to burn fat and build your muscles, you are welcome. This is a road diversion ahead because works are ongoing. So these junctions are given access points so as for people to be able to divert. Okay, we continue. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to click the subscription button and click the notification bell so as to get all the subsequent content we'll be posting on this channel. Updates will keep coming. Updates will keep coming. I think there's one thing we have to put into consideration. Not any project that comes about should not be a short-term thing, especially when it has to do with roads, when it has to do with infrastructure. I mean, our ancestors or ancient engineers engineers used to build roads that took more than a century. And today, we go to different historical sites, we go to different places, wonders of the world, and we realize that these things are still intact. Look at the Great Wall of China. Huh? Go to Rome. After all these natural disasters, but it still stands. So, with the so-called civilization of the 21st century and our so-called engineers, we can even construct roads that would take us 50 years or 100 years. It is sad, and it is disgraceful. However, this mostly applies to Africa, not the other part of the world, because basically we are being miseducated. Unfathered. The channel is remembering Africa's greatest. So basically, and it has to do with Pan-Africanism. So whatever we do, in whatever context, we still have to talk about Africa. We still have to talk about us. So it is sad. It is sad. With all these so-called engineers, for us to construct modern or standard roads, we need engineers elsewhere. We need engineers elsewhere, which is very sad. Which is very sad and disgraceful. Why can't they do it? Why? But it's sad. For those who understand, we would know that they are not given the right education. For those who understand, they will know that the black man is miseducated. For those who understand, will know that we are not given that which we need to drive our affairs. The global system has been structured in such a way that Africans have to rely on others to get that which they need to be done, which is sad, which is very sad. So it's high time when our representatives sit and discuss pertinent issues with the West or the East, let them give them bargains that would also be to our interest. Give our people that which they need to improve, to succeed as a people. Do not just give us the theoretical aspect. Let them get the practical aspect. And from there, let the government devise means of getting them the tools that they need to practicalize that which they have been taught. But the political will is mostly absent, and the policy is not at all favorable. It's sad. Even if you go to the Ministry of Agriculture, looking at all the PhD holders that they have, they still go into the office and sit there. Why are they not going to the farm? Why are they not going to the farm? So it is a sad reality. I only hope we have leaders who will come with that vision and then implant it in us and practicalize it. Which I don't know. We still have to believe, but I believe that it is very difficult. It is very difficult. The global system does not want African leaders who are enlightened, African leaders who want the best for their people. No wonder they keep killing them one by one. I've killed so many of our prophets. It's either you are with them or you are against them. But you cannot be free to devise a foreign policy that would be in the best interest of your people. As Donald Trump said, America first. We need African presidents who will say, my people first, and not my family, not my wife and I. Yes. Anyway, from there, I want to hear from you. How do you see this? What is your assessment? Do you think the drainage system is okay? Wow, what am I seeing here? This is amazing. It's a local turf, artificial grass, but it's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. We continue. Wow. The concrete is already there, and the concrete seems to be very thick. Once again, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to click the subscription button and click the notification bell so as to get all the subsequent content we'll be posting on this channel. Wow. A lot still needs to be done. The other problem is we have noticed that many of these contractors also fail the schedule date for completion of the projects. So many of these projects are not completed on time, and we know what we refer to as African time or Gambian time, which is that there's a Gandhi Trust Bank, Bundum branch, that is Alasan Babin Salon. Those of you who are around, you could also patronize him. Now, a big tree has been uprooted from here or cut down. See, it seems to be very thick. It is thick, I can say, that I could attest to. Assalamualaikum. Wow. But can we say that these drainage systems are not very wide? Should the size be improved or expanded? Drainage systems are very important as they could help avoid or prevent floods, and it will also prevent water been locked on the roads for a long time, which affects the should I say the which word should I use? Should I say the resistance of the road? Yeah, that really affects the road. So drainage systems are very important. They are very important. Okay, we are not far from Serrekunda. We are not far from Serrekunda. Okay. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to click the subscription button and click the notification bell so as to get all the subsequent content we'll be posting. Once again, I'm your host, Omar Mendy. That's a huge mosque. I have another one here, that is Masjid Omar Ibn Khattab. It's Ramadan and many people retire to bed late during Ramadan, and many people do not wake up early, or some would go to bed after praying Fajr or Subhi. That is the morning prayer. This is Tungkaras Plaza. To be realistic, one of the most progressive areas during the Barros administration is infrastructural development. Since she came to power, we have seen a boost in that. That industry is really booming. It's really booming. The diaspora and Gambians alike here are all involved in this. People are really building, constructing a lot. And as the population grows, the demand for houses also increases. And the influx of foreigners into the country too. So construction is the deal. Construction is the deal. Yeah. No wonder the demand is so high that the prices of cement keeps skyrocketing. Yes, we are in Serrekunda. We are in Serrekunda already. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and tell us your assessment. Tell us your observation. And if you want to recommend anything, you could also recommend. If you have any advice to, don't hesitate to put it to us. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment.
Tapi tidak ada yang doon sa February doon ko yung wërsëg wi yàlla fajtaay yàlla jàmbaleen suturaan yàlla musal leen barkeel
Amin, amin, amin. We are almost getting to the end of the road. Thank you for being with us. It was a pleasure interacting with you. Wherever you are, thank you for your support. Those in the Gambia, the diaspora, we thank you all.